Dude, what are you doing?
Dude, I'm just practicing my
You're supposed to be here working. You're supposed to be here working.
Give me a break, dude.
Give me a break, dude. I'm your dad. You can't call me dude. What are you, crazy? Have you lost your mind?
I took a 3-hour-long test today. What are you talking about?
You better have gotten a good grade on it.
And it was a practice, so I'm just...
All right, here's your picks. Here's your picks. I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
And we are here to pick MotoAmerica winners and podium finishers, round 2. Okay, before we talk about last week's results and this week's picks, I gotta know, man, what are you doing in the suit again?
So Cameron Bouvier qualified 11th, promised the bike, and he started 11th in the grid, and he managed to get into first place.
On Saturday, 3rd place on Sunday. Amazing, and he definitely reminded everyone why there's a #1 plate on the front of that bike, didn't he?
Yep.
MotoAmerica Live Plus, the app, $69 if you didn't buy it when it was on sale. We watched all the races. What do you think?
Amazing. Better than BN Sports USA, I'm sorry.
Oh, 100%. Yeah, that stuff was not very good. Best TV package they've ever had. The action, let's compare it to MotoGP.
It's even better.
It's far more entertaining, man. It's a great spend. We highly advise that you do it. So, last week's result. It's a very simple formula that we're doing here. You heard us pick 1 through 3, each race, each class. We then take the finishing result. If it's first place, it's a 1. If it's 17th plate, it's a 17. To each rider we pick, I add up all the numbers. He who has the lowest number wins. Who has the lowest number from last week, dude?
Me.
That's completely false. I beat you by 40 points. Yeah, don't be sorry trying to steal my victory.
It's
Epic
like
victory.
Golf, whatever. All right.
It's like golf, which I love, by the way. Golf is amazing. So we each did pick 1 race winner out of all that. We picked 1 race winner. You can start.
1 race winner. I got Angela Lee, stock 1000.
That was a great race too, wasn't it?
Yep.
Man, he was just there. Epic fucking choice at the very end. Pulled off the victory. Great victory, Andrew Lee. The victory that I chose, that I picked, was Bobby Fong, Supersport race number 2. Bobby's amazing. Wow, he has put everybody on notice that he has come here, right? He's out there throwing uppercuts. Race 1, Supersport, probably one of the most entertaining motorcycle races I've ever watched. We had everything in that. We had fenders flying over his shoulder, cones getting knocked down. He blew 2 corners, ran wide twice, let Hayden Gillum back into it. Hayden ended up taking the victory. They were racing so close, rubbing elbows, rubbing bikes. It was fantastic. And Bobby came back out on Sunday with a dominant performance, 1 minor mistake, but he finished 2nd on Saturday, 1st on Sunday. Loved it. SDK.
Yep, real good.
3rd place, he could put it on the box too, right? On Saturday, 16 years old. Gotta love that. Those Suzukis are flying out there. What happened to SDK on Sunday?
Well, Richie Swan, is that his name?
That is his name, yeah.
And he basically went like...
Oh, totally. Blew a corner, making a pass, blew a corner, and literally knocked SDK right off the track. How the kid kept the bike upright, he looked like Tony Elias in that gravel trap. Amazing. Still a good finish though. If you don't have the app, you need to invest the money in it. If you like watching motorcycle road racing, it's a better value than the MotoGP stuff for sure. So this week upcoming, we have
Superbike class.
We have Superbike class only at Cota. Mom and I are gonna have a lot of fun. You're gonna be staying at home. Your aunt's gonna watch. You're going to school. That's the way life works, young man.
And I gotta go to work too. Sounds good.
You do have to work. You're welcome.
Race 1 this weekend for Superbike. I've got Josh Aaron, Tony Elias, and then Garrett Gerloff. Race
1, I've got Tony Elias, Josh Herron, Cameron Bouvier.
Race 2, I've got Cameron Bouvier, Garrett Gerloff, and then Josh Herron.
Race 2, Josh Herron, Tony Elias, and Garrett Gerloff. Josh Herron, my man, we still love you, don't we?
Yep.
He's still our favorite #1
100%.
racer. There's no doubt about it. It's hard not to love a little Josh Herron. I thought he did great that weekend. I really did, you know, and just things happen. They happen. Racing happens. But that race 1.
Yep.
How much fun was that?
It was a great race.
Him and Tony swapping back and forth, racing close, both teammates. You know what? It is what it is. Things happen. but you put on a great show for sure. I'm sure a little pressure, you know, all this talk about you being on the bike. I think Cota is a great track for him. Cota is a great track, I think, for the Suzuki too. That Yo Suzuki's got some serious legs up top. I'm excited for it. It's going to be a lot of fun. I think my picks are once again far superior to yours, and that 40-point gap's going to widen up a little bit.
And this dude studies. Okay.
I'm busy working, dude.
Champion last year.
I'm busy working. Okay, I might have done just a little bit of that. So there you have it. There is week 2, MotoAmerica, van versus van.